Rich and I just finished an amazing tour. What can you even imagine better watching being made than ice cream and having to have samples at the end? Today they were making cookie dough ice cream, and then we also had samples of strawberry cheesecake. So we've heard when people are not buying the ice cream flavors that they actually die and go up the hill to the flavor graveyard. So let's go see. Well, here it is, Ben and Jerry's flavor graveyard, where all flavors come to die. Let's see what we've got here. Honey, I'm home. It was a honey of a flavor, but all too brief a love affair. Honey ran away from home to new digs, you know where. Oh. Coconut almond fudge chip. Ooh, Ricky, we'd like that one. This coconated contender may never surrender, of the graveyard's legendariest. It's among the temporariest. Oh, it was resurrected 3 times. We like those coconut flavors. Isn't this adorable? Dave Matthews Band. Makes me think of Darlene. Oh no, poor, what a cluster. Gooey marshmallow, caramel and PB. What a cluster it was. But inevitably stuff happened, so for better for worse. What a cluster was, trucked away in a hearse. That one never came back. Economic crunch, good year for that. Oh, this is a favorite one. White Russian, bid adieu to old White Russian. Oh, tears they are a-gushing. But in our scoop shops, please don't forget that it's not. Oh no, not yet. So they said that was the most popular flavor, but too expensive to manufacture. Fresh pickled peaches trucked from Georgia. Tasted great, but couldn't last because Georgia's quite a ways away, and trucks don't go that fast. So cute. So cute. And then, oh, look at that beauty. Now I'm talking about Rich, but I'm also talking at the mountain behind him, full of color. Oh, this is why we're here. Vermont in the autumn. Beautiful day. Next adventure.